Know where your family's milk really comes from? If it's not from a farm-friendly, family-owned dairy, it may not be the best. Rockview Family Farms feeds their cows corn from crops they own and raises their cattle ethically to make the best local farm-fresh milk and dairy products. If sustainability means anything to you, you will probably want to start drinking Rockview Family Farms milk. Wouldn't it be nice to drink local, farm-fresh milk, ethically raised the right way without preservatives? Guess what? Your children are probably already drinking nutrient-dense milk at school, produced from farming with good, wholesome family values, serving the greater Southern California area and its children with wholesome school milk fresh from our own dairy farms. Make sure your children are raised on Rockview. www.rockviewfarms.com